Winter's a great time to give your Bobcat a quick reset. A few simple checks now go a long way when you get into the busy season. If you've got your operator manual handy, there's tons of good information in here. It's located directly behind the seat of your machine. Start by checking your maintenance clock and warning codes. These are just reminders, but everything is outlined in your operator's manual. Checking these now can save a lot of headache down the road. Next up, your filters. HVAC in the cab and engine air filter. Dust builds up quicker than you think, and clean filters help your machine run efficiently and keep the cab comfortable. Take a few minutes to grease your pins and bushings and check your fluid levels, oil, coolant, and hydraulics. Staying on top of your grease points and fluid levels extends the life of your machine. Now's the time to check your tracks or tires. We're going to look for any cuts, gouges, or uneven wear. It's better to catch this now than on your first springtime job. Inspect your belts for cracks, glazing, or excessive wear, and check your battery terminals for corrosion or loose connections. Trust me, nothing is more frustrating than having to go back to the truck for the jump pack. That's a simple winter reset. Staying on top of these basics helps you plan for maintenance instead of reacting to breakdowns. If you ever need any help, feel free to reach out. Partner first, solutions always.